iPhone Lightning Charger Cable is a 10-long cord that provides a max-speed fast charge from USB wall charger adapter or portable charger to your iPhone, iPad Air, Pro, or iPad mini. MFI, made for iPhone, iPad, iPod, certified Lightning cable is designed for Apple chargers and approved for Apple MFI certification to ensure your devices are safe from overheating or short-circuiting. iPhone charger cable features ultra-strong connector joints with a design made to endure up to 25,000 lifetime bends, so the Lightning cable can withstand the rigors of everyday use and last longer than the average cable. Durable connector heads provide a sturdy connection for rigorous everyday use, offer superior phone data sync, and a fast charge experience. Includes one TalkWorks iPhone 10-foot Lightning cable in gray. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality cord. Works with Lightning and other USB. Works in all USB-A devices. I am using with an iPhone 12 mini and AirPods, both of which often do not like my other cords. They take this one every time, and I like the look, color. The length is great, and the material clings enough to itself so that wrapping it up when not using full length is easy.